Welcome to What the Fun English. I'm Becky.
And I'm Josh. Today we explore the routine of a freelancer, a graphic designer who works from home.
And she starts her day in a very modern way.
Ah, yes, the new morning tradition. Not take the bus, not drive to the office. She logs in. Logging in is the new commute. Amazing, isn't it?
It is, and honestly, I think I'm old school. I still take the bus to work.
Really? I take a chair from the kitchen to my desk. Very efficient. So, after she logs in, what does she do?
She drinks her first cup of coffee, sometimes a second one later.
2 cups? Sounds healthy. I normally have 4.
4? Josh, that is not a morning routine. That is a hobby.
A delicious hobby. So, after coffee?
Then she checks her email, and after that, she opens her design projects. She looks at the messages from her client, a very kind client, but also a very precise person.
Precise usually means one more small change, please.
Exactly. And here is how she describes the start of her day.
I start work when I log in. I read my messages and I drink a cup of coffee. My client often asks for small changes, so I check every detail. I like the quiet of the morning. It helps me think and be creative.
I love that she likes the quiet. A creative person needs that.
She does, but her house does not always give her quiet.
Ah, here comes the problem of every freelancer.
Yes, noise. Not every day, not every hour, but at different moments of the day. Sometimes the neighbor plays loud music. Sometimes someone knocks on the door. Sometimes a dog barks at absolutely nothing.
I understand her. When I work at home and the neighbor drills a hole in the wall, I lose focus in 1 second.
You lose focus easily, Josh.
Very easily. Does she lose focus too?
Yes, she tries to focus, but when the house is noisy, she stops for a moment and waits for calm.
Reasonable. So after the morning work...
After the morning, she continues her projects. She draws, she chooses colors, she writes short messages to her client. Then, when everything looks good, she sends her design.
And the client?
The client often replies, "One more small change, please."
1 more?
1 more.
Every day?
Most days.
That is passion, dedication, or strong coffee.
Maybe all 3. And here she explains the afternoon in her own words.
Because I work online, the internet is very, very important for me. When it is slow, I wait and I try to stay calm. And when it works again, I send my designs to my client. She is kind, yeah, she is, but she often wants 1 more small change. So I make it and I send a new version. I enjoy small details. They make the design feel clear and beautiful to me. Well, in the afternoon, I normally join a meeting or have a short call. I like simple conversations. They help me understand what she wants. You know, sometimes I lose focus, especially when the house is noisy. So I take a short break. I stand up, I drink water, or I go outside for 1 minute. After that, I feel a little better and I start again. In the evening, I finish work when a design looks right. I close my laptop and rest for a moment. It is a small moment, but it feels good.
She explains it so clearly, and her day is full. I can almost see the 1 more small change happening again and again.
Yes, and I can see the breaks, very short breaks, to find her focus again.
Honestly, I need a break just listening to her routine.
Take one, Josh. 30 seconds. Then come back for the next episode.
See? This show is practical. So now you know her day. Morning, afternoon, and evening. A real freelancer routine.
Now try talking about your own. You can start with, "My daily routine is," or My friend Roberto is a freelancer. He is a...
Write your sentences in the comments section. Keep it simple.
And keep listening to What the Fun English for more real routines and clear English.
And maybe for a little inspiration and less noise.
See you next time.
Bye.